Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can solve OneDrive storage issues. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my desktop on my computer, and the first thing that you need to do guys is go to your file explorer. If you don't find it right here, just go to the start menu and then search for file explorer. Once you find it, go ahead and click on open. And then you're going to be right here in this window. Once you're here, as you can see guys in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. You're going to find home, gallery, and OneDrive. Go ahead and right click on the OneDrive folder. And then right here, you're going to find all of these options. You're going to find the option to copy, expand it, open it in a new tab, open a new window, and so on. And then here, you're going to find always keep on this device, free up space, and lastly, OneDrive. Go ahead and click on free up space. And then right here, as you can see, guys, right here, you can free up some space by deleting some files from here. And you can also go to the web page of OneDrive by clicking on OneDrive and then view online. And then this will take you to this page here on the web. Once you're here, as you can see, guys, in the bottom, you're going to find your how much you used out of your storage. So as you can see, guys, in my case, only used 0.1 gigabytes out of 5 gigabytes, which is 2%. So right now, if you have your storage full, then you need to delete some files that you don't need. You can go to My Files and then select the files that you want to delete. Click on these three dots and then you're going to find Delete. Click on Delete again and then you're good to go. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.